I'm going to give you guys a tool that you can walk out of here today and use across all of your marketing channels and be able to really tune and fine-tune all of your marketing for it. Wouldn't that be nice?
Hi, my name is Richard. I'm the founder and CEO of VBOUT.com, a marketing automation stack. I met Christina through her workshop online. She has a great Udemy course. I've digested her content, which looked great, and we started a partnership on building a lead generation framework course that's going to be available for our clients and our partners. And we got her eventually to come to New York City, where she presented in front of 50 people in a room, teaching them about how to generate leads using Instagram, all full organic lead generation from Instagram. And she did an amazing job capturing 50 people end to end, zero churn. Everybody stayed until the end of the session, and everybody was extremely happy with what they've learned. I want to emphasize three main qualities for Christina, which sets her apart from a lot of the other people that I meet. First, the wealth of knowledge that she has. She has a lot of knowledge in the topic of lead gen using Instagram, Facebook, even other channels, but this is the module we're working on together. Second is she's a practitioner, so she puts what she knows into practice with her clients, through her coaching, for herself as well, and that's huge. Third is her energy on stage and the way she teaches. She makes sure that everybody's tuned in, she asks questions, she engages with the audience, get feedback, and that's a great quality as well of a teacher. Finally is her method of delivery from start to end. So she has an end goal of what they need to learn, and the steps she takes them through to her slides and her actually questions and her content, she makes sure that she gets her point across 100%. So these are the four qualities that I would say separates Christina from a lot of other people who are teaching, and I highly recommend her for any of the projects.